Okay. So now basically what is the main purpose of using this Python programming? Okay. So basically this Python programming language have been created by the guy named called Rossum. Okay. And like what is the main purpose? Why do we have to learn the Python? Okay. Python is like like an interpreted language. Python is like an interactive language. Python is an object oriented language. Python is like a very beginning language. Okay. Suppose for example, if you don't know C language and if you don't know C++ also, you can able to run this programming language. Okay. And now let me just check whether I click on the recording option or not. Yes, I click on the recording option. Okay. So basically, when I talk about this one, what is the main characteristics of Python? Okay. See, characteristics of Python is Python can able to run on any operating system. Okay. Either it could be like Windows or it could be a Linux or it could be like a any kind of programming language. And like a very good thing is that it can be easily integrated with any programming language. Okay. Good, and the like a very big plus point in Python is what exactly? Python language can able to integrate with any other programming language. Now, what are the basic releases of this Python? Okay. Python programming language, as I told you, it was released in 1985 somewhere. And what are the basic versions of this Python now? Python 2.4, it has been started in 19 December 2008, and then slowly it was keep on going, and now we are recently using what? Python 3.8 version. Okay. And now when I move further now, what is basically Python? Okay. Python is basically used for like a web development purpose, software development purpose, mathematical purpose, system scripting purpose. And with the use of this like a Python language, we can able to do what exactly? Hacking activities we can able to perform. Okay. What can exactly the Python do? With the use of this Python, we can create the multiple web application. What exactly? We can also create the web application with this ASP.NET also, C Sharp also, and like a PHP also. But the thing is that Python code is very easy. And like what is the plus point of this Python? Python can be integrated with any other database also. When I talk about like an Oracle database, it can be easily integrated.
Okay.
Okay. Python can connect to any database. We can able to read the file. We can able to modify the file in Python. That will reflect where exactly? That will reflect inside the database. And whenever we talk about like a big data kind of thing, data scientist, we can able to use this Python in detail. Without this Python, there is no big data. Okay. Now, what exactly is the Python? Python is like a rapid prototyping and it is used for the production system mainly. Now, when I move more further, what are the main companies which use Python? Companies like YouTube, Google, Instagram, all are completely built on Python platform.
Okay.
Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and all. Okay. Python has very simple syntax. When you compare to like a Java language or when you compare to like a C language, any other programming language, it is very easier to compile.
Okay.
Okay. For example, like a Java code. Okay. Java code. Like a 7 to 8 lines of Java code, we can write in Python just in two codes. One code we can write the program in Python
Oh.
because Python is what? Very simple programming language. And apart from that, it will do what? It will take a very less time to compile. Code is very clear, very less time. So what exactly the company will want? Company want the code should be okay. Company, give me like 1 second right now. Company want what exactly? Company want code should be very easy code. Okay. Now, when I move further from there, as I already told you, right? Companies like a YouTube, Google, Instagram, all are using like a Python. Now, where exactly we will go and install this Python? See, I will show you right now. We'll simply go to like a Google. I am like not showing you how to install the Python. I think I will show you in like a one more video. How do we try to install the Python? If we go here like this, python.org. When we type here python.org, we can able to get it download from here. Click
Yes.
on download 3.8.5 version. We can easily able to download from here. Okay. Now,
Okay.
once we install the Python, we have to verify whether the Python get installed or not. So we have to go to the command prompt and type python dash dash version. Okay. Now this is the following path. What is there? Now the first chapter. See what are the topics which we're going to cover in the Python. Okay. Command line development. How exactly what is it? What is the Python basics and operations and calculation? All about the strings, all about the loops, about the list, about the templates, about the dictionary, and about the data modeling process in Python, about sets, about list, about dictionary comparison, about advanced flexible functions, Lambda expressions, advanced built-in function, decorator, generator, object-oriented basic concept, object-oriented programming advanced concept is Python will learn. Working with the files, how exactly we'll try to work with the file, that also we'll see. Python modules we'll see. How do we going to write that first program, a second program, and then we'll do the GUI programming. Okay, GUI means what? We can able to create the buttons, and then that buttons we can able to interact with what? Interact with the database. Okay, web scramming process, first program, all this, like cryptography. Cryptography is a concept of what? Ethical